So here's how to lock the Notion page with a password in the best way. It is pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so don't miss any of the important steps. So, the first thing you need to do is open up any browser and search Download Notion. Click the first website. You will see a page like this. From here, download the Notion application for free for Windows or Mac, whatever you are using. I am using Windows, so I download Notion for Windows. Wait until the Notion setup is downloaded. Now, install the setup and open Notion. First, log in for free and make your account. I already logged in Notion. You will see an interference like this. Now, on the left side, you will see many options. Go to your page section. I already make a page for a sample. Now, in the top right corner, you will see 3 dots. Click here. After scrolling down a little bit, you will see a box to lock the page. Click this box. Now, your page is locked and you are not able to edit anything on the page, as you can see. To unlock the Notion page, click the locked button on the top. The page will now be unlocked and you can edit the page according to your will.